Hello, I'm Kristala Jones-Prather, the Arthur D. Little Professor of Chemical Engineering at MIT. Every year, I look forward to the AIChE annual meeting because it gives me an opportunity to reconnect with the many colleagues I've come to know over the years, as well as to meet newcomers to the profession, from students to fellow faculty. At this year's meeting in Phoenix, Arizona, I have the honor of presenting the Andreas Acrivos Professional Progress Award Lecture. My talk will take place on Tuesday, November 15th, and I'll be discussing my group's work to expand the capability of using biology for chemical synthesis. This includes our efforts to design new biosynthetic routes to compounds of interest and to address the inherent challenges of converting feedstocks to products with high productivity and yield. You can learn more about my upcoming lecture and the entire annual meeting program online at aiche.org. I look forward to seeing you in Phoenix.